Okay, instead of eliminating one of the sides, we will just start with changing the variable to be in terms of the other variable. So 6x minus y equals 9. Let's take y on one side on its own, right? So from the first equation, equation 1, equation 2, so y equal what? We took y to the other side, so it's 6x minus 9, right? That is the value of y in terms of x. So what we will do is we will substitute this value of y in here, in this. So we have 5x minus 6x plus 9, because it's minus 6x minus 9, and that equals 7. So now we have one variable, which is x, so we can solve this. 5x minus 6x is minus x, plus 9 equals 7, so minus x, minus 9 plus 7 is minus 2, so we have x equal to, and that is our solution. Okay, that's the first value. We're still not done because we need to get the value of y. So y equals 6 times 2, which is 12, take away 9, which gives me 3. So the solution is x equal to, y equals 3. Now, isn't that brilliant? We found the value of x and y without eliminating either of them. We just substituted the value of y. Now, if you want to check that your answer is correct, just substitute the values here. So 6 times 2 is 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. It works. So for the first equation, my value is correct. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 take away 3 is 7. Also correct. I want you to pause the video, and I will give you another example that should be appearing now. Yep, there it is. So I want you to pause the video and give it a try, and then unpause the video and let's discuss the solution. Okay, so hopefully you had a chance to go through this question. Let's change the color of the pen. So from the first equation, let's go with y equal, my count looks, y equal 2x minus 7, because I got y on a side on its own, and then I took away 7, so y equal 2x minus 7. Now let's put that in the second equation. So substitute the value of y here. So 4x minus 2x becomes 4x minus 2x plus 7, and that equals 13. Yeah. So 4x minus 2x is 2x plus 7 equals 13. So 2x equals 13, take away 7, which is 6. So 2x equals 6, let's divide by 2. So x is 3. And that's my first solution. So y equal 2 times 3 minus 7. So y is 6 minus 7, which is minus 1. So y equal minus 1. And you can check that this answer is correct by substituting in these two equations. Now, there is one more method to solve simultaneous equations, and it's the graphical method, and that's what I will explain.